Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming that the motorcycle with Sidecar is classified correctly. Many DMVs treat it as one vehicle but require Sidecar information. Collect your title, a signed bill of sale, government ID, current insurance card, and any safety or emissions certificates. Once done, check the exact DMV forms and fees for your state and book an inspection appointment if required. Make sure payment method is ready. Some locations accept card, check, or online payment only. You now fill out the title transfer and registration application carefully. Errors slow the process. Attach the bill of sale and proof of insurance and include the sidecar's VIN or descriptor if required. Next, take the motorcycle and sidecar for the mandated safety or VIN inspection. Private inspectors may be acceptable in some states. Once you have inspection results, submit all documents in person or via the DMV portal and pay the calculated fees so your application moves forward without delay. You finish by accepting the plates, registration certificate, and updated title or temporary permit. Install the plate and display the sticker as instructed. Keep digital and paper copies of every submitted form and proof of payment for at least 30 to 90 days in case of audit. If your application is denied, don't panic. Check for missing documents, request a supervisor review, and if necessary, schedule a reinspection. If fees are incorrect, ask for a written fee breakdown so you can resolve disputes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.